am a Filipino, inheritor of a glorious past, hostage of the uncertain future. As such, I must prove equal to a twofold task. The task of meeting my responsibility to the past and the task of performing my obligations to the future. I sprung from a hardy race, child of many generations removed of ancient Malayan pioneers. Across the centuries, the memories come rushing back to me of brown-skinned men putting out to sea in ships that were as frail as their hearts were stout. Over the sea I see them come, borne upon the billowing waves in the whistling wind, carried upon the mighty swell of wood in the free abundance of new land that was to be their home and their children's forever. This is the land they sought and found. Every inch of shore that their eyes were set upon, every hill and mountain to them that beckoned to them with green and purple invitation, every mile of rolling plain that their view encompassed, every river and lake that promised a plentiful living and the fruitfulness of commerce is ours, country. By the strength of their hearts and hands, by every right of law, human and divine, and all the land and upward lands is their king, the black and fertile soil, the seas and lakes and rivers teeming with fish, the forest with their inexhaustible wealth in wildlife and timber, the mountains with their bowels swollen with minerals, the whole of the rich and happy land has been, for centuries without number, the land of my fathers. This land I received in trust from them, and in trust will pass it on to my children, and so on, until the world is no more. I am a Filipino. In my blood runs the immortal seed of heroes, seed that has flowered down the centuries in deeds of courage and defiance. In my nerve, yet possess the same hot blood that sent Lapu-Lapu to battle against the first invader of this land. That nerve na kandula ay combat against the alien foe. That throat tiyago silang in the boy into rebellion against the foreign oppressor. I am a Filipino, and this is my inheritance. What pledge shall I give that I may prove worthy of my inheritance? I shall give the pledge that has come bringing down the corridors of the centuries, and it shall be compounded in the joyous cries of my Malayan forebears, when they first saw the contours of this land bloom before their eyes, of combat in Macanjo Giralpas, of the voices of my people when they sing. Land of the morning, child of the sun returning, her shall invaders crumble a sacred shore. Out of the lush and green of these 7,000 isles, out of the heartstrings of 16 million people, all vibrating into one song, I shall weave the mighty fabric of my flesh. Out of the songs of farmers at sunrise when they go to labor in the fields, out of the sweat of hard-bitten pioneers in Malig and Coronadalo, out of the silent endurance of stevedores of the piers and the onions-grounded peasants of Pampanga, out of the first cries of babies newly born and the lullabies that their mothers sing, out of the crunch of gears and winds of pure vines in the factories, out of the crunch of closures of turning the earth, out of the trunk of soldiers marching, I shall make the factory of my flesh. I am a Filipino, born of freedom, and I shall not rest until freedom shall have been added unto my inheritance for myself and my children, and my children's children forever.